You are welcome to this reseller presentation class. I am Oyeyemi Olalekan, a six-figure digital skill trainer and a teacher by profession.
You want to bamba? You want to G with the big boys?
Okay, by virtues of what is going on in the community, let me say in the country right now, everything is tight, everything is tough for people, and I think about it. What can I do to help people? So that is why I'm giving access to people. I'll be giving access to people to sell different type of digital courses and earn the money without paying any commission. You have 100% profits. Okay.
My God! Wow!
And you are going to be paying a token amount of money to register. Okay. And this is a copy and paste system. You are not going to be creating any course. You are not uploading any course. In fact, what you are going to do, we are going to show you and tell you what to do from the beginning to the end. So it is very simple. In fact, a 5-year-old child can do it. Yes, 5-year-old child can do it. It is very simple. Just copy and paste. You are not going to stress yourself. You are not going to be thinking, oh, what can I do? What can I say? You will get everything from the beginning to the end. So make sure you follow up, okay? Because after the end of the class, at the end of the class, you'll be paying just a token amount of money to register. And when you register, you will start selling the course immediately. So it is a training that will show you how to make money immediately you join.
Hey, check and see how the thing goes.
Okay, as I will show you some proof. Okay, so let's get started. Don't forget to follow up and be active. All right, now just look at what people are saying before you know either you are going to take an action or you are going to withdraw back. Okay, now you see here we also show you how you are going to get interested people. Okay, now look at this testimony. He said, I opened an online class where you pay to register and receive these free courses, and I teach them how to sell and where to sell it. I just copy relevant information here and paste it. Oh my God, it is working. You see, she copied relevant information here from the group here and paste it for his client and student, and she said it is working. Okay, he also said I run hard on it too, and I have a goal by the end of the month. You see, and in this training you are going to learn how to run Facebook ads too, so that you use to generate. We are going to be showing you 51 ways to get people for free that will be interested, and another way how to get people using Facebook adverts. You see, all right, now having said that, she said I just shared the step I took to get up to 50k in 1 week. I joined. My ad is still running, so more money is coming. Okay, you see now. Even said she's going to do a short video on it with his screen and send this to the reseller course here, the reseller community here, so that others can. You see, one of the benefits of this community is that other people are teaching their colleagues on how to get more clients. Okay, so and you are going to get ebook, Facebook adverts to Facebook ad training, so that it will help you to sell more. Now this is one of the opportunities again. You can see one of the students created a flyer and sent this to the group that they can also copy this type of flyer.
You playing? What type of?
And use it. It is very simple as ABC. Now you can see their testimony. These courses are massive, sir. Kudos to Mr. Olalekan for this privilege. You are in a million. You are one of the few that give humanitarian support to the less privileged. Hamnet Digital says, I have turned my WhatsApp into ATM. I picked this over because we had so many items to sell with just that amount. Can you imagine? Seyi said, the value I got from this course so far is second to none. I am blessed to get in. It is full package of learning. Having community of people with the same goal as mine is one of the things that can help me fast forward and succeed in this course. Another person said, at first I was very skeptical when I saw the list of topics you are offering at that sickening amount, that is at that small amount. You cleared my doubts. Thank you for your sincerity and the big package. it is so much value for such a small token. You see, I don't want to bore you with testimony, so let's move forward. See, so this course, it is not that I just wish to be giving it out like that, okay? I have deep concern for people who are not, feeling okay, feeling well, or especially the youth. We have a lot of beggars on the streets. So with this, I believe it will reduce the rates through which people suffer for money. Okay. Now let me take you to affiliate marketing. Remember that this is not affiliate marketing, but I want to show you something about affiliate marketing. Espana is one of the affiliate marketing in Africa here. Now, if you want to register, you are going to register with, I think, 65,000 naira, and that is every year. If you want to register with that, which is 65,000 or 60,000 thereabout, you will be trained how you are going to sell, how you are going to run Facebook ads, okay? But if you do not pay for training, you will pay 10,000 naira registration fee every year. Now, and when you sell a course, you earn commission. It can be 50%, it can be 40%. Most of it is around 50%. Yes, 50-40%. So which means if you sell a course, you are not going to own all the profit. It will be divided into two, and you are going to pay huge amount of money to register. But in this type of training now that I'm showing you to resell, you are going to register with token amount of money, and after that you will have ability to pass through the training for free. Okay, show you how to sell for free, and at the same time you earn all the commission. So you can do it with your smartphone, you can do it with your laptop, you can do it even inside village. In as much there is network there, you are good to go. Now the question I'm expecting you to ask is, how does it work? How do you get the course? How do you sell it? Okay, so now follow me. Now right now, this is one course, and this is the link of the course. So what you need to do is that you click on it like this, and you click on copy. You come to the angle here, you click on copy. So you send this to the person that wants to buy it from you. Okay, you can decide on the price, although you are paying token amounts of the money of a month, but you can decide on the price that you want to sell the course. This is just a single course, and you'll be having different type of courses. Okay, so you can decide to say, okay, this is how to develop app. Okay, app development. Maybe when you see somebody that want to buy, what you need, you copy it. You can sell it 20,000. App development course is expensive, like 50,000, 80,000. Okay, so you just copy it and you paste. You see, now it has been done for you. Everything has been done for you. You are not doing anything, you are not uploading, and the funniest thing is you are getting 100% of the course you sell. If you sell it 20,000, you own all the 20,000 naira. Okay, it is not affiliate marketing where you sell and you get the percentage. No. Okay, now follow me and see the rest of the courses. This is another one, earn money advertising for local businesses. Now, one of the joy of this reselling business is that the course you are going to resell, you have opportunity to watch it and also learn. So as you are learning, you resell it. Okay, unlike affiliate marketing where you are going to be selling people product, but you will not have access to watch the videos. But this one, you have access to watch it and you have access to sell. So you learn, you can even sit down and learn it and you sell it. So you just copy the link and you send it. Okay, all right. This is another one. I need business logo design course. So which means when you join and you need a specific course, you have opportunity to make a request that, okay, I need this so course. This said I need a business logo design course, and immediately I sent the link to the reseller that need a course. And another person says, please, I need a course on data creation, Excel, and Access. So you will see it. I sent it again. Please, sir, I need app design course, how to design app. and you can see it immediately. I sent it to, okay, and another person request for graphic design. You see all the courses, what the graphic design, this is complete graphics design. What you need to do is that after which you have learned it, you may wish to learn it and you may decide not to learn it at all. So just copy it and paste the link. So somebody make a request of Amazon KDP and I got it, okay, and after sending that, another person request for Viva, okay, and I also do that. I got it and I sent it immediately. So I'm going to show you where all the courses has been arranged. So immediately you join, you just go there and you copy it and send it. So it is copy and paste system. Here is it. All the courses has been arranged here. This is food, Facebook adverts, training, data analysis, digital marketing. So which means if you do not even know how to sell, how to run Facebook ads, apart from you selling it, you learn it too, okay? And you have access to all the courses, so you have access to learn and to resell. The courses are numerous. It's just too much. 3D character workshop, color grading, video editing, data analysis, Amazon KDP, Viva, social marketing, freelancing rather. What again? Just mention it. You are going to see the course here. Hacking, ethical hacking, web development, web design. Any course you need, you will see it here. So I cannot show you everything because I don't want this video to be too long. Now, aside all that, you are going to get extra bonuses. And what are the bonuses? You will get free data, 50 megabytes to 100 megabytes daily, and it is for a lifetime. You'll be getting it every day. And you also get 20 premium. So that 50 MB, it is meant for you to just to be able to access the community where you are going to be, our community where you are going to be copying it. You know, if you do not have data, you may not have access to it. So we make it possible that you always have data every day so that you'll be able to copy the link and sell to your client or your student. So that is the essence of that 50 MB. So which means even if you don't have money, if you don't have data, with the training we are going to give you on how to get 50 to 100 megabytes every day, you will have access to the community. You will have access to sell course every day without limitation. After that, we are going to be giving you 20 premium paid apps. Okay, under this premium paid app, you are going to get Netflix. Okay, you are going to watch next. You will have access to Netflix for free. You can watch any movie for free. You will have access to DSTV for free. You can watch any game. You can watch any movie for free. Okay, so and that likewise, you know, you are going to be selling. You must know how to sell. So because of that, we will help you and give you secret of copywriting. It is 3 powerful books. So once you sell it, you read it rather, you'll be able to sell anything sellable, and you'll be able to sell this course to many people. We just want you to succeed, okay, in this period when, you know, when money is not in circulation, where everybody is shouting for lack of food, lack of money. So we want you to have ability to be able to feed yourself and feed your relatives. How much can you make selling these digital courses? Now, let's take, for example, you pick a course and you are selling it 5,000 naira. Remember, you are the one that can decide on the amount you are going to sell it. So let's take, for example, you want to sell video editing course. You are selling it 5,000 naira. You need just 20% to make 100,000 naira in a month. If you are selling Amazon KDP, for example, you can sell it 20,000 naira. You need 10 people to make 200,000 naira. And let's take, for example, if you are selling course on Viva, to make money on Viva, and you are selling it for 10,000 naira, you need just 20 people, okay, to make 200,000 naira in a month. And if you are selling course on another training, maybe how to create app or how to design websites or any course, you are selling it for 20,000 naira, you need 20 people to make 400,000 naira per month. And if you are selling a course 20,000 naira, if you want to make 1 million, you need just 50 people to make 1 million naira. And to get people, it is very easy, and that is the ebook you are going to get and the Facebook ad. So it is very easy. Just click on the link below to register now. You have nothing to lose. The funnest thing is, if you are not satisfied, you get your money back within 48 hours. Okay, click on the link below and sign up now. If you sign up right now, you are going to get 50% discount, which means you are going to pay the half of the fee for all the courses that you are going to be reselling. This is the time for you to make money online. Do not miss this opportunity, because you may not see it again for life.